how to stop Discord showing what Spotify song you are listening to. You want to welcome to this channel. To stop Discord from displaying your Spotify listening status, you need to disconnect your Spotify account from Discord, or you can adjust your profile settings. So you have two different options. The first option is to open up Discord, and here head over to your profile by tapping on the U icon and proceed to head into settings. Once you're on the settings, you'll get your option that says connections. Tap on it. Now here, if you have Spotify connections enabled, what you want to do is you want to disable it. You'll have to remove it. So you can say I don't have any connections, but if you do have one, you'll be able to remove it from here, from this particular piece. The second option is you can proceed to hide it, right? So you can head over and you'll get the status here. If you've added the status, if you want to turn off the status, similarly, as I mentioned before, you want to head over to connections, and there under Spotify, you'll get the option to toggle off the display Spotify as your status option. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.